This little corner of the house, or right by the door, I am going to clean this all out, put cardboard underneath it, kind of like I did under the little greenhouse, to keep the weeds away. Try and keep it as natural as possible, and use up this little corner will be containers and things like that. All the weeds I pulled out and just laid the cardboard down on top of it. So now the weeds won't be able to get through for quite a while, and it'll be easy. The sun just came out, and as you can see in the corners, I put old roofing tile. In here in Europe, the tiles are out of like actual tile. They're out of like concrete or clay material. Put all of them against the wall of the house, and this will help. When it rains, the water will hit the tile, and instead of onto the house, it'll come onto the cardboard, and the cardboard itself will eventually contour to the ground. And like you can see, there's a little bit of a lift here, but no big deal. That will all in time get taken care of. So now it's time to move the containers into place. One I already put down just so I can kind of figure out how I wanted the tile pieces to go all together. There we have it. This is my little corner garden I cleaned out and reused a lot of stuff that would have gotten thrown away anyway. This, I planted more shallots because this year I'm planting a lot of shallots because I really like shallots. They're expensive, and apparently you have to watch their water levels because they like a lot more moisture. So I'm planting a lot in the containers instead of up on the field. And cardboard boxes are the nicest and most natural way to keep weeds out of the weeds from growing, and is the cheapest because you don't need to call a landscaper when you can do a lot of stuff yourself. So here are some frugal tips on how to clean your corner and have more garden space. Here are all my potted plants. Rosemary, surprisingly, because how wet it has been and I don't have drain holes in the pot, it's actually growing really well. Tomatoes, little cherry tomatoes, lettuce, basil. My onions are growing fabulously. There we go. And my husband just weed whacked the grass. And rhubarb is doing quite lovely. And I don't know about this garlic. There's something about this pot, nothing likes to grow in it. The tractors were out all day today and making up these hay bales. So all this grass was cut from all these fields. So I'm sure they're happy that they're finished with it, for the fact that Wednesday we have some huge rainstorms, thunderstorms. So good that they got this all done today. Okay, it is 1 week into the garden little project that I cleared out, and I moved all the containers now into this spot. And yeah, there's the cat. Is absolutely loving the the east sun. So it gets sun in the morning, and then by 12 o'clock the sun is around the corner and it has shade the rest of the day. Look at these tomatoes. Doing absolutely lovely. The cat. Oh, are you now shy? As soon as I put the camera on, you become shy. Oh, and my shallots. Here we go, my little shallot box. And you can see the little green specks. They are popping up everywhere. So, and there's the rosemary, quiet. Lettuce is doing great, and this is first first batch I cut out, and now it's regrowing, which is fantastic because now it just grows on its own. Let's see what the shallots are up to. Yes, so it does make a difference if you do plant seeds in the evening compared to middle of the day. So they are looking so nice. You've already been fed. Stop your whining. So, there is the planter box. Now the boxes are all set up. And this is an easy project. Just clean out the weeds, no digging, and you have a cardboard box underneath. Keeps all the weeds and grass away. And you have a lovely little corner full of vegetables for your pantry. If you guys like this video and want to see more projects, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you have not been subscribed. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video, and comment below. Bye.